The LitezAll Pivot is a feature-packed work light and emergency light. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package is the pivot and a micro USB charging cable. Since the pivot is rechargeable, it's best to give it a full charge before first use. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source, such as a computer, wall charger, or power bank. Pull back the charging port cover and insert the micro USB plug. A 4-step charging indicator blinks while charging is underway, and all 4 lights turn solid green when charging is complete. The charging indicator doubles as a battery life meter during use. A full charge of the non-replaceable 3.7 volt 1800 mAh lithium battery takes up to 5 hours. The LitezAll Pivot weighs in at 5.6 ounces and measures 5 inches in length, 2 1/4 inches in width, and 1.3 inches deep. 2 lights are built into the pivot, a front-facing XPE LED flashlight and a Cob LED wide beam light. Both lights have 3 brightness settings, controlled by a shared side-mounted switch. The flashlight produces up to 120 lumens with a 6-hour continuous runtime at the brightest setting, 8 hours at medium, and 12 hours at the lowest brightness level. The large Cob LED produces up to 400 lumens with a 2-hour runtime at its brightest setting, 3.5 hours at medium, and 4.5 hours at the lowest brightness level. In addition, the Cob LED also features solid red and red strobe modes. The light gets its name from its integrated fold-away pivoting back, which doubles as a stand or carry handle. As a stand, you may use it lying flat or tent style, angled up to 90 degrees. 4 powerful magnets on the back of the stand allow even more flexibility. In all, the stand pivots up to 180 degrees. As a vehicle emergency light, you may place the light freestanding on the ground or magnetized to your vehicle to produce either white light or red strobe light. Of course, you can easily switch between the wide-angle light or flashlight with the push of a button. The stand may be used as a carry or hanging handle. The integrated carabiner provides even more mounting options to clothing, backpacks, and tent loops. The rechargeable LitezAll Pivot is powerful, flexible, and useful in countless situations, from the workshop or home projects to traveling, camping, hunting, fishing, and hiking.